Hello and welcome. These are my custom automotive valve stem caps, and today I'll walk you through this easy DIY project starting with a couple details. The caps are designed to fit pretty much any make and model of car. I've had them for over 2 years on cars that sit outside and see all 4 seasons. That said, the valve stem caps see all types of weather and a wide range of temperatures, and I've never had to replace any of them. Now let's get to the design. First, we'll start with the SolidWorks CAD model. Going through the model of the valve stem cap, I made it in 3 steps. All values are in millimeters. The first step was a boss extrude, making a 10mm circle and then extruding it up 15mm to create the cylindrical shape of the cap. Next was the cut to make the hole. Did this with an 8mm diameter circle, a depth of 13mm. Finally was the thread. For specifications, all the way down the hole, 13mm. And then the important piece was the size, so I did 8x36, but then overrided these because I want an 8mm diameter for the hole, and then a pitch value of 0.794. This was just a value I googled for automotive valve stem caps, that's why I chose that. And then I did extruded thread. And now with that, let's go over to the slicer. So we're in the slicer. I'm using Ultimate Akira, and we've got our valve stem cap STL file plopped in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple copies quick. So we have a full set of 4 for the autos. We're gonna go ahead and space these out a little bit so they have a little bit of room. With the valve stem cap spaced out, we're going to go ahead and do the settings. So for 2 settings, we're going to highlight our infill, which I have set to 90% so that we can try and get as crisp of thread as we can. And then for the other one, we did a build plate adhesion doing a raft of 2mm in diameter. So we'll go ahead and hit slice with those settings. And this is what it will look like if we hit preview. You see the little blue rafts on the bottom, and then the valve stem caps that will be printed on top. It should take about 4 grams of PLA filament and take roughly 37 minutes. Now that the slicing is finished, we can add it to the SD card, put it in the printer, and get the print started as shown in this time lapse. As you can see, printer's done, so let's go ahead and pull the caps off. We can remove the rafts, and let's try them out on the car. Testing them out, they go on well and add a nice bit of color to the cars. If you like this project, a thumbs up on the video is always greatly appreciated. Let me know in the comments how your caps turned out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.